What's up, everybody? I'm on day 2 of today's project. This is what I accomplished yesterday, as you've already seen. And then I started on this yesterday also. It took me about an hour to do the bottom half, whereas yesterday it took me about 2.5 hours to do this. So I'm just gonna finish out the top half just like this one, and then I'm gonna go and look around Raleigh for some cabinet doors. I'm gonna put cabinet doors on this, and then same thing here. Well, this one's a lot longer than this side, so I'm gonna add more cabinet doors to this one than there will be on this one. So now that we're done going back and forth, I'm gonna go ahead and get started and get all my tools set up outside and do it to it. All right, there it is. Now I'm on a mission to go get these doors and get them installed. As I go do that, here's my process for installing this top half. So I can't locate cabinet doors. So I think what I'm gonna do after I eat my lunch, I'm gonna custom make some doors as soon as I get back. All right, good friends, it's time to get real. I'm on a time crunch, and since I can't find the cabinet doors that are pre-made, I'm gonna have to custom make them myself. So step 1 of the process. So we're gonna measure the hole and add 1 inch. Got it. So it's 27.25. And we're gonna add 1 inch for the width and the height. Let's go cut the door. Okay, so I'm gonna be using MDF, and this is my door. I got it cut. Now I'm gonna get my router and route out the edges all around, and then we'll see what to do next. Doggone. Hey, you know what? At least it's not middle of January and February. I was loading up a piece of MDF, a big 4x8 sheet. I think you can imagine what happened. Slid it a little bit too far. Crash. Creating the hole for the hinge. From the cabinet, 1.25 to 1/8. Line up my screw hole, my measurement. Draw out the circle. Got a rough estimation. Now to cut the hole. All right, so for your doorknob, you're gonna measure 2.25 down and 2.25 over, and it's going to be appropriate. All right. I got everything painted. I painted it once with primer, 3 times with the actual latex white paint, and now I'm gonna paint the walls so that looks a lot better than what it does. Doing it to this one and this one. Got the other 2 doors outside. they're drying, and then when I get this finished up, go ahead and show you the final product, and that'll be that. And so I'm gonna do it to it. All right, now I got it done. It's all painted. Crisp lines, crisp, 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 crispy, 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 crunch, no crunch. Boom, boom, boom. Got it done. It looks so good. It looks so good. Oh, and it's never officially complete without bumpers. Yeah. Boom.